Good morning. So currently right at the end of Swanage Beach, and we are off to Old Harry. Just gone about 6:20 in the morning. Absolutely beautiful morning. Absolutely stunning. Pan you around. There you go. So yeah, we're off for a little look at Old Harry rocks. The sun's just coming up. Probably take us about an hour to get there though. So we've just got up on Whitecliff. We're about 2 miles from that bird nearly. Just flew straight into me. Yeah, about 2 miles from Old Harry. So it won't be long. Yeah, it's looking back over Swanage. Oh, all right, onwards. Yeah, Old Harry, 1.5 miles to go. Finally up on the ridge. Not far away now, about a mile. Yeah, about a mile to go. So that's the trig. Jumper and some glasses someone's left. If there's by any chance someone watching this video that may have, I doubt it, but left their jumper and glasses on the top of Barnard Down, then there you go. There we go, Old Harry's just behind where I'm pointing. So yeah, we're not far away. So yeah, just pointing things out. There's Bournemouth, then you got Pool over there. You probably won't make out, but you can just about see the ferry. It's docked up, so that'll be start running soon. And Brownsea Island, Studland down there, that long beach. Absolutely beautiful morning. So yeah, you can just see the pinnacle, and just behind that will be Old Harry. So we are nearly there. Skylarks. Look. Catching bugs. There you go, there's the pinnacle. Oh, I love that sound. It's got to be one of my favourite birds, I think, skylarks. And I know they're pretty common, to be fair. You get them all over the country, but whenever I've been anyway, you get in the middle of a field somewhere and you can hear a skylark. But yeah, here we go. We are just arriving at Old Harry Rocks. I love this place. I absolutely love this place. There you go, there's Old Harry over there. Just behind there. But yeah, absolutely stunning location. I just love it here. You can see the cliffs are kind of illuminated by the sun this time of the morning. And look at the glow down there, look, in the tunnel. That hole that you got down there, I don't know if you can see it and make out on the camera. Sun shining through it. Yeah, beautiful, absolutely stunning place. Absolutely beautiful. See how it's looking over towards Studland, Knoll Beach, and on the far right hand side is the ferry and pool. What a beautiful morning. You can see all the seaweed down there. There's a really strong smell up here. Not a good seaweed smell either. How clear the water is. Really clear. Yes, so green down there. I think that's what we might be smelling. I don't know. It's not the normal seaweed smell I'm used to, but yeah, it's quite calm this side. Gulls coming in. Look. It's just getting warm now. It's lovely. Beautiful. There's the pinnacle. So calm. Oh, it's lulling, that seaweed sort of lulling you. With the waves, the really gentle waves, and sort of you can just see it moving. It's open to possibly spot a seal, but there's nothing here. Yeah, I can just see Swanage over there, the corner of it, just over there. And then looking back, old Harry Rocks. Absolutely beautiful day. So there you go, if you made it to the end of this one, thanks for watching. It's just such a beautiful place, this is. It really is. But yeah, thanks for watching, and hopefully see you in the next one.